This is the engine bay of the 2016 Toyota CHR Hybrid with a 1.8-liter petrol engine. Today we'll go over the layout, explain how the hybrid system works, and cover the basic maintenance you need to know. At the heart of this car is a 1.8-liter inline four-cylinder engine producing around 98 horsepower. Its engine code is 2ZR-FXE, a well-known fuel-efficient power plant found in many Toyota hybrids. Paired with the engine is Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive. This is a third-generation full hybrid system. It includes an electric motor producing around 72 horsepower, combined through an eCVT transmission. Together, the hybrid system delivers smooth acceleration and impressive efficiency. The CHR Hybrid accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 11 seconds. It offers a total combined power output of 122 horsepower or 90 kilowatts. Top speed is about 180 kilometers per hour. Fuel consumption is very efficient, around 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Real-world range is approximately 870 kilometers per tank. It can drive in full electric mode, but only for short distances, around 2 kilometers and only at low speeds. This vehicle is not designed to operate like a plug-in hybrid, so EV range is very limited. Right here, mounted next to the inverter, is the Hybrid Vehicle ECU. This small gray box is the brain of the hybrid system. It controls how the engine, battery, and electric motors work together. Without it, the hybrid system simply wouldn't function. This is the main fuse box. We will talk about it later. Unlike the high-voltage hybrid battery, this car also uses a standard 12-volt battery, located in the front of the vehicle. It powers all the electronics when the car is off, and it's essential for starting the hybrid system. Next, here's the dedicated coolant reservoir for the electric motor and inverter. It's important to keep this coolant between the minimum and maximum levels to avoid overheating the hybrid system. This is the engine air filter housing. Replacing the air filter every 30,000 kilometers helps maintain fuel efficiency and performance. Up top, this is the oil filler cap. The engine uses 0W20 synthetic oil, which is designed for maximum efficiency and low temperature performance. On the passenger side, you'll see a smaller fuse box. This one handles hybrid-specific components like the inverter and electric AC system. Over here is the engine coolant reservoir. As with the inverter coolant, check regularly and make sure it's always between the min and max lines. This yellow handle is the oil dipstick. Always check your oil level when the engine is cold and parked on level ground. Here's the washer fluid reservoir. Just top it off with windshield washer fluid whenever it's low. And this is the brake fluid reservoir. The fluid level should also stay between the min and max lines. If it's too low, it could indicate brake wear or a leak. For basic maintenance, start by checking the main fuse box on the driver's side. It contains all the major fuses and relays. Inside the cover, you'll find a fuse diagram and a small plastic tool to help remove fuses. Then on the passenger side, we have the auxiliary fuse box. It's smaller, but still important for hybrid safety circuits and electric systems. Let's quickly go over the fluid checks again. Brake fluid, check the max and min levels. Inverter coolant, same thing here, between min and max. Engine coolant, also check that it's within the recommended range. And finally, engine oil. Use the dipstick to make sure the level is correct. Remember, always use SAE 0W20, fully synthetic oil, for this engine. It's what Toyota recommends for maximum performance and longevity. That covers your basic overview and maintenance on the 2016 Toyota CHR Hybrid. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more technical breakdowns and car guides.